This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix Roblox not loading on mobile. First, let's ensure your internet connection is strong and stable. A weak signal can often prevent the game from loading properly. Next, confirm that your mobile device has enough free storage, as low space can cause performance issues. Finally, always check if your Roblox app is updated to the newest version, as outdated apps frequently encounter loading problems. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth gaming experience. If the basic checks don't resolve the problem, let's try some app-specific troubleshooting. Go into your device settings and clear the Roblox app's cache and data. This can often fix corrupted files. A simple restart of your entire mobile device can also work wonders by refreshing its system. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the Roblox app. This ensures you have a fresh installation, often resolving stubborn loading errors. Sometimes, device and network settings can interfere with Roblox. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it, as these can sometimes block game connections. Ensure your device's date and time settings are set to automatic. Incorrect settings can cause authentication issues. Also, experiment with your network connection. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or connect to a different Wi-Fi network to see if the problem is network-specific. For those persistent loading issues, it's wise to check the official Roblox server status online. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end. If everything else fails, don't hesitate to contact Roblox support directly. They can offer more personalized assistance. And hey, while you're troubleshooting, remember to stay refreshed. You can find a link to the Oala water bottle, along with other great deals, in the description below. Keep your device and yourself running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.